So good morning. So today we are going to discuss about your Python lab programs. So basically the first program is installation of Python interpreter. I already discussed. So you have to do it. And after that we need to perform different mathematical computations. So already we performed different mathematical computations in this particular one, like 5 plus 2, and so whatever there will be in scientific calculator, that is 5 exponent. So like this you have to perform several mathematical operations. So like this you need to perform several mathematical operations which are already discussed in the class. Now the new concept what we are discussing is they are asked to develop this kind of a grid. So how we can solve this particular thing is we need to develop this particular grid by using your Python program. So here how we can do is I have discussed you string repetition, string concept. So by using that we need to solve. First of all I will do step by step, then you can understand. So for example, if you are so for example here, now for example we have a separator. We have that separator is equal to, now what we can do is we have plus minus 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 3 minus, for example, and so like this we have it. Now we stored. Now if I go with this operation, sub is equal to sub into 2. Okay, now we're going to print that particular sub. So what is the output we're going to, so actually the plus minus minus we have stored, and but I multiplied by 2, so it repeated 2 times, that's why. So like this we need to solve this particular program. So in this particular thing, how many grids are there? This is the one grid we have, and this is the one grid, and this is the second grid, third grid, like so. Simply it is a 2 by 2 thing. So this kind of a grid we need to develop. How we can develop, we'll see step by step. So I will show you, try to follow. So first of all we need to create a Python script. For that we need to go to here, file and new file, and let us save this particular file with a name g1. So g1, so you need to save with the extension .py. So I saved the particular program. Now we try to develop the function for this def grid of, so how many number of rows or columns we pass, that many number of rows and columns the grid has to be developed. So now it is a function. So now we're, so slowly we develop one by one. Now first of all our separator is equal to, so plus minus minus. So see the how many minus are required is 4 minus. Here minus is missed, so we required 4 minuses. So 4 minus were required. So it has to be repeat for how many number of times? It has to repeat for 2 times. So what we can do, separator plus minus minus, let us close this. It has to be repeat for 2 times. So that how we can mention, simply it is the number of so it has to be repeat for the number of column. So we need 2 times, and after that what is required is we have required another plus at last we required. So for the new line we need to specify the slash n. So before this also anything is there, here also we need required one slash n and put plus. So try to put use single quote, that becomes a part of the string. So here also we required So now, so first of all we execute this particular script, then we will see. So let us see what is going to happen. We are passing. So now we just file, save the program, and let us run it, see what is the output we are getting. Sorry, here we need to put the brace. So again save the program and run the module. Now it is printing nothing. So what is the problem is, here we are not returned anything from the, so that's why the error is generated. Now what we are going to do is return, we need to return sub, just only return sub. Now save this particular program, let us run it once. Now it is printed. So plus minus minus plus minus minus plus. So according to our program, whatever the thing is required, we generated. Now what is our target? We need to generate these slashes. So we required 3 slashes. That means how that, so we, for example, we have 2 columns, but we required, so see, we required thing. So now we are able to generate this particular plus plus. So what is left from the program is, we need to generate these things. So but this 3 is what, it is more than number of columns, so we require column plus 1. So that's why change in the program. So what here we have to do is, so return separator plus, so what we need to do is, how many number of things are required is here. So slash, after that we need spaces 1 2 3 4. Let us close and let us put one bracket here, and after that so this particular slash has to repeat for how many number of times is, it is required more than column, it has to be repeat for 3 times. So but our grid is, column number of columns is 2, this is required 3 times, that's why column plus 1. Let us put one more bracket for this entire thing. So let us check the output. Let us save the program and let us execute. So it is showing an error. So what is the error we have committed? Let us see it. So line 4 in line 3, it is not a int like the showing error. Let us use this particular one, we need to put in a thing, then it will comes out. So column plus 1, so put one more bracket for this entire. Now it is sufficient. Let us save this particular program and again compile this. Now see this. So we achieved plus plus minus, and after that we achieved 3. But what is required is, this has to be repeat for 4 times. This particular one has to repeat for the 4 times is required. So now what we need to do, already one time we have been generated. Now what we have to do, we have to come for 3 times. So for that what we need to do is, just already one time is there, next 3 times is required. So now I put just 3. Let us save this program and let us check what is the output of this modification. So now it is came for, so but what is required, slash n we need to add. So otherwise that is the problem. So now we need to add slash n. Where we need to add slash n? Here. After this many number of times done, so the slash n is we need to put. So it will print for 3 times. Then what we need to do is, here we need to add plus, put the colon slash n. Now this has to be repeated for So let us remove the bracket here. So it is now, I think it's okay. Let us see whether it is. Now we achieved it. So we required 3 times. The 3 times it is came, but we required a 4th time also. So if you put so let us put 4 and compile the program. So now we are achieved 4 times. So according to the program given, so we required 1, 2, 3, 4 times. After that we required this particular plus plus. So now we need to add that again plus. So the plus has so that particular separator need to be added. So this like this it has to be repeated. Now we again require this particular separator. Let us check. Let us save the program. For saving you can press Ctrl F. For running you can choose, you can press F1 F5. Now what is happened is, so it's there, but the space is coming here, unwanted space. According to the program we doesn't require that particular we don't have any space, but additional space is coming because of that particular slash n we have placed here. So what we need to do here is to avoid that problem we need to repeat for 3 times. Then what we have to do is, let us put this entire thing in one bracket. So after that we need to add one, so that is slash l, this one, and 1 2 3 4, and so that's it we required. Then after that we need to attach this slash n. I think then it is sufficient for that concept. So let us put that thing. So done. Now save the program. Control S, Fn, F5. So I think some issue is there. So what is that? One slash is only coming, but what is required is that has to be repeat for 3 times. So the slash has to be come for 3 times slash 3. Let us save this and run the program. Okay, it is showing somewhere. So here it is open. So this particular brace is for this one, and this is okay, and this is this range is up to here, and this range is up to here, and so 1 minute. So okay, this brace for this, and this one is for this, and for this. So this is the range, and after this is the range. Now here the extra slash n is there, so there is no need, we need to remove it. Now let us save this program and execute it. So the extra slash n is not required, so we have to remove that. So that is the issue. Now why? Because here one more slash n is, that's why we need should not provide the slash n here. The slash n is not required here. So now the save this program and now let's try to see the output. Okay, we achieved. So we are able to form one first grid and second grid, but third four grids are also required. Now it is very simple. So what we need to repeat do is just we need to repeat it for the number of rows. So how many number of times it is required, just what we need to do is put this entire in a bracket or whole and multiply with the number of rows. It is required 2 times. So how many number of times is required? Just save this program and execute. So it is showing an error. Where there's an error is occurred. Okay, we achieved the target. So like this we have to solve the programs. So I think you understand how to develop the grid by using this particular concept called as just three methods. That much of grid, this much of simple statement. With the help of this statement we are able to solve the problem like this. For example, now if I specify 3 comma 5, then that particular grid will be automatically formed. So see this, that much of that much of grid is automatically formed. So here what happens is for that particular one, here that is causing these braces are missing. So depending upon that we need to change some for any kind of thing if you add has to come. So for that in this particular place where it is here we have only 3. So in the place of 3 what we can do is, so simply you can put here the number of call plus 1. So rather than column number plus 1, what we can do is here we can so simple, that's it, the number of columns plus 1, same condition if you put. Let us check what will happen. Here also rather than multiplying with 3, it has to be call plus 1. So put that braces. Let us save this program and run the module. So it is showing somewhere error. So what is the error we committed is this is the error we committed. So here we need to put this place, file save and run the module. Now we are able to form. So for any kind of grid now it will work. Now for example in this particular one if I give 4 comma 4 also, it will come out. So any kind of grid, now the program is working. So this is how we can develop the program. I think you understand the concept. So how to develop complete the program, lab program. Thank you very much.